Morning. So I'm going to be trying to start my box today for the 18-inch SSA Evil, and went to Home Depot last night and got about 5-6 sheets of plywood, 3/4. I got the good stuff at Home Depot, red oak. It's about $54 a sheet or so, and I have a piece that I'm starting to cut out here that is going to be the base for the 6-liter box. As you can see, I'm going to be putting that down first here to have a nice, good base to work off of. And so I'm going to start working on that today. so today I got the base in for the big 6th order box I'm going to be putting in the RAM. Next week, next Saturday, I'm going to be cutting up all the pieces of wood. I'm going to take it into work and cut it on the big table saw and get ready to build this big 6th order box. It's going to be a total of about 14 cubic feet. And the bottom box is going to be tuned to 22 hertz, and the top box is going to be tuned to 44 hertz. There will be a regular rectangular port up top, and on the bottom we're going to use one of these 8-inch ports from Big Ass Ports. So I'm looking forward to that. We'll see you then. All right, bye.